Bakit nga ba ang derivative ng tangent ay sec²? Tara, pag-aralan natin. Okay? Sa calculus, meron tayong formula, trigonometric differentiation formula, at isa na doon ay ang derivative daw ng tangent of u with respect to x ay sec² of u times the derivative of u with respect to x. So bakit nga ba totoo itong formula na to? Tara, i-prove natin. Okay? So para ma-prove natin ang formula na ito, kailangan nating i-recall ang trigonometric function. So di ba pag sinabi nating tangent, ito ay ratio ng sine at cosine, di ba? So itong tangent of u, ito ay sine of u over cosine of u. Sa madaling salita, yung gusto natin na i-prove na derivative ng tangent, ito ay same lang sa pagkuha ng derivative ng ratio ng sine at cosine. Okay? So sa case na to, gagamit tayo ng quotient rule, di ba? So ano ba ang quotient rule? Di ba sa quotient rule, kapag nagkuha ka ng derivative ng u over v, so ang derivative nito ay v times derivative of u, yung u prime, ito ay derivative of u with respect to x, minus u times the derivative of v all over v square. So yan po ang gagamitin natin na formula. So sa madaling salita, ang derivative ng sine over cosine is what? Ito ay equal sa, okay? So, denominator muna. So, cosine times derivative ng sine. So, derivative ng sine. Okay? Minus sine, numerator, times derivative naman ng derivative ng cosine. Okay? Then, all over the denominator. So, ang denominator natin ay cosine. Cosine of u square. Okay? So, ayusin natin ito. So, simplify na tayo. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung derivative. So, we have cosine of u. Ano ang derivative ng sine? Okay? So, ang derivative ng sine ay cosine, di ba? So, this is times cosine of u. So, since ang u ay in terms of x, function of x yun. So, kailangan pa tayo mag-multiply ng du dx. Then minus sine of u. Okay? Kailangan maglagay tayo dito ng parenthesis kasi naka-minus yan. Ang derivative ng cosine of u ay negative sine. Okay? Again, we have to multiply it by the derivative of u with respect to x. Kasi ang u ay function of x. Then all over, okay, the square of cosine of u is the same as cosine square of u. Again, ayusin natin itong equal sign. Dapat nakaganyan. So, simplify na tayo. So, anong makikita natin dyan? Cosine square na yan, di ba? Kasi dalawang cosine. Cosine times cosine. Cosine square. Times du dx. Minus. So, minus minus. So, positive na yan. Positive sine square of u times du dx. And then, all over cosine square of u. Now, we have to factor out du dx, di ba? So, we have cosine square of u plus sine square of u, right? Then, du dx. Then, all over cosine square of u. So, we know that this expression inside the parenthesis is what? That is the Pythagorean identity, di ba? And that is equivalent or equal to 1. Pythagorean identity. So we have du dx. So we have 1 times du dx all over cosine square of u. And we know that 1 over cosine square of u times du dx, this is equal to what? We know that the reciprocal of cosine is secant. And we have cosine square of u here. So therefore, we have secant square of u times the derivative of u with respect to x. So hence, we have shown that the derivative of tangent of u is equal to secant square of u times du dx. So that ends the proof. Okay?